How to fix AirTag not updating location. First of all, try ahead and go near towards the AirTag. Basically, that's the foremost way. If that's not working still, simply go ahead to your settings. Now go ahead to search bar, search for Find My, and then once you're in Find My, go to this apps, Find My apps. So once you're here, you can see different kinds of like although then you'll have to see notification. You must allow the notification, sound badges, and you can simply allow Find My access to like search. You can also turn it on, and if you've got location as option as well, turn on the location services in your Find My. So you'll have to go ahead and turn on that location. Also turn on the precise location option where you can see it. So if that's not done, simply go ahead and search for Bluetooth. That's the second thing you'll have to do. Once you head towards Bluetooth, try the toggle this Bluetooth option off, wait for 5 seconds and turn it back on again. Now the last thing in the settings, what you'll have to do is go to the location services. Yeah, basically go to this location services. Once you're in location services, you'll simply go ahead, toggle this off. It will ask you for verification, simply turn it off and then wait for like 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure this share my location is turned on and turn it on again. And now wait for 5 seconds. After you wait for 5 seconds, simply turn this on. And then the last thing what you can do, if that's not fixed, then simply try ahead and restarting your device. So that's for the video. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.